guys, it's Zappy again, and of course you can't. This time you can't see my face. Oh yeah, guys, I showed you in the closet. Something fell, and I do not want to go in there. Yes, I'm being scared. I'm never scared really though. Okay, guys, I'm gonna try to go. This was the room. That's the bed where I was sitting on. So yeah. Oh my gosh. How did... I did not open that. That was not open before. Okay. Let's see what's happening downstairs. My cousin's here. My whole family's here. So.
They were running all over the house. They just went down the street.
Gabriel, what's going on?
Nothing. Disney uncle. Right.
It's Gabe, huh?
My cousin.
Yeah.
It's one of them. And, yeah.
Well, it's time to get up.
My other cousin is
Dinner's ready.
He's
That's gonna be
upstairs.
it.
Hi, Zach.
That's looking at it.
So, yeah. So, peace out, guys.